Hi everyone, and hopefully you're all doing well. I just wanted to give you a little bit of food for thought, especially if you are looking to repurchase skincare products and you don't know kind of what products to go for. I'll say that this probably advice is going to be best suited for acne-prone skin. So if you have acne, if you want to decongest your skin, clarify the skin and kind of get rid of that acne. Imagine if you are ill, right? And the doctor has prescribed you some medication and you are asked to take these medications throughout your process of healing, okay? Now this has got nothing to do with acne, but I'm coming to that. So you got these medications, you come home, but you kind of don't take the doctor's advice. So you take the medications, but you don't take care of your immunity. So you're still carrying on working crazy like before, you're not catching up on your sleep, and you're not actually taking care of yourself. So you are taking the medications, that's all you're doing, but you're not taking care of yourself and you're not boosting your immunity. So are you going to get actually long-lasting benefits into this healing process? Probably the answer is no. So you might actually feel better just because you are using the medications, but your body will need that recovery time and your body will still need and strive for you to just slow down and heal. This is exactly the same philosophy that I always take with my clients in regards to acne treatment. I always tell them that acne is actually a skin condition. So it's a damaged skin. It's a damaged skin barrier. Also, you have inflammation, which means that your skin is sensitive and it needs to be calmed down. So you might so well go ahead and take, let's say, benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid. So these are kind of clarifying ingredients that your skin would need, or even azelaic acid. So there are lots of different ingredients that I always talk to my clients about. But I always actually do remind them that yes, you want to clarify the skin, you want to find ingredients that is antimicrobial, antibacterial, but the most important thing is that you want to give that immunity back to your skin. You want to increase that capability of that skin to heal by itself. So what we are looking for acne treatment products is to calm, desensitize, reduce inflammation, recover that damaged skin barrier, to repair that skin barrier, to boost the immunity of the skin, heal the skin. So these are kind of the key terms alongside with the antimicrobial, clarifying, these kind of like treat acne terms. So the most important thing is when you are setting up your acne treatment routine is to ensure that you combine your clarifying and your antimicrobial, antibacterial ingredients with skin repairing ingredients as well. So some of the most important skin ingredients are peptides, oligopeptides, ceramides, coenzyme Q10, yes, coenzyme Q10, allantoin, sodium hyaluronate, niacinamide, glycerin, honey, green tea extract. So this is very important, and I want to really make sure that you have this psychology when you are looking for products to treat your skin.